Hey, this is Mike Brady. So I wanted to shoot you this video to show you some of the things that will help you improve your website and your website rankings on Google and bring in more business for you. Now I'm at your website and I've copied your URL into a third-party scanner that I use to check for your main heading tags that Google uses. Google looks at these to determine what your site's about and what to rank it for. It's very, very important to get this right or you don't get to page one. The tags are made up of your main title tag, your metadata tag, your H1 and H2 tags. Now, your title tag is too long. The optimum length is between 10 and 70 characters according to Google, and you're at 134. So that right there is one strike against you. Your meta description is good, very good. Unfortunately, your H1 header tags is the keywords that Google ranks for. In Bakersfield is one word, is not a good keyword. That's horrible because there's no town called in Bakersfield, California, and Google won't look for that. So that puts you out of the rankings right away. You're making good use of your H2 tags. Unfortunately, all your photos have no attributes, which Google frowns at. That's another markdown for you as well. Now, I don't know about you, but I usually go to page one of Google search. I get the top 3 or 4 companies on page one, and I get bids for them. So let's look and see how your website's currently ranking on Google today. So I use a third-party tracker for this as well. So SERPtrack, you can get a free 30-day subscription to this. I've used these keywords: Bakersfield Fencing Repair, Bakersfield Fencing Company, and Bakersfield Fencing Contractor. You're ranking page 2 and page 4 for the last 2 as well. We can get this fixed for you. We both know that page 1 is where the money's at. It's what we do. It's why I'm reaching out to you today. We can get you more business. So if this is of interest to you, please respond to the email. Thank you so much. Have a great day.